Your horse trot.
They're off and trotting. Mac Lobel right to the front. Hussing up on the outside. Noble U second and challenging. Chadwick Hanover gets away smartly third. Delray Lobel on the outside fourth. Red Roan follows in fifth. Vizzy Hanover is sixth. Armbro Garnsey is seventh on the outside. Mac Lobel out on top, a length and a half. Into the two-hole comes Noble U. Racing close up in the third, Chadwick Hanover. Sam DeMalls out and rolling with Red Roan early from fourth. The quarter is a lively 28-1. Breeders' Crown Trotters race on by the stands. Red Roan is up to challenge Mac Lobel. Mac Lobel going along at a good clip, leads the way. Here comes the big gelding up on the outside. Red Roan into the action. World champion Delray Lobel. Noble U sits the pocket fourth. Along the rail, Chadwick Hanover is fifth. Vizzy Hanover is up on the outside. Armbro Garnsey trail. He's about 5 off, though. The half in 58-1. Mac got a 30-second breather there. They're out of the turn and down the backstretch. Mac Lobel by a head. Right alongside in second, Red Roan. Racing in to be third, Noble U. The cover belongs to Delray Lobel. He might be a factor. Saving ground, Chadwick Hanover. Vizzy Hanover is up on the outside, and Armbro Garnsey. This field is now head-to-head, racing by 3/4 in 1:27.3. Mac Lobel on top by a nose. Red Roan right alongside. He looks him right in the eye. Red Roan now takes the lead. Mac Lobel gives way along the rail second. Delray Lobel on the far outside third. Noble U looks for racing room. Chadwick Hanover, Vizzy Hanover, and Armbro Garnsey. It looks like Mac might be beaten, but he's fighting back. Mac Lobel, Red Roan. Here's Delray Lobel on the far outside. Delray Lobel in front.